Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about an app that is an alternative of Facebook official app. With the help of this app, you can use Facebook, Messenger and Twitter at one place, and with that you can use different themes and power saving mode. So let's start with the video and see how this app works. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search Maki for Facebook. Here is the app. Install this app. Let's see some of the features of this app mentioned by the developer. Maki provides a whole new experience of using social media in one beautiful app. It's light Facebook app that works fast, stable, awesome functionality including quick access to Facebook anywhere. What can Maki do? Quick access. Use Facebook everywhere in any app. No ads. Comfortable and faster in use. Power saving. Save your traffic and battery usage with power saving mode. Security. Passcode with fingerprint support. Colorful themes. Bookmarks. Small and smart. 3 most popular social media in one amazing app. It's lightweight. Updated on 19 April 2018. App is installed. Now open it. Move forward. Again. Here is the app. Login. How this app looks. Here you see the notifications. News feeds. Messenger. Again back to news feeds. Here are your favorites, your pages, groups, and other Facebook settings. You can change your Facebook settings from here. From here you can go to Twitter with a one click. Log in to use Twitter. Use Instagram, Google Plus, Tumblr, and other from here. Here you can see the friend request you received. Search, suggestions, contact, friends. Options to shares, add to favorite, add to home screen, open in a browser. Here you can do the app settings, enable passcode, enable location, themes. Different themes are available. automatic night theme, top navigation, enable floating action button, font size, quick view, app language, remove sponsored posts, show top news firstly, hide people you may know, disable image loading, launch Twitter firstly, power saving mode, quick bar. So these are some of the awesome features of this app that gives you a better Facebook user experience. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.